The Louisiade Archipelago is a string of 10 larger volcanic islands frequently fringed by coral reefs, and 90 smaller coral islands located 200 kilometers southeast of New Guinea, stretching over more than 160 kilometers and spread over an ocean area of 26,000 square kilometers between the Solomon Sea to the north and the Coral Sea to the south. The aggregate land area of the islands is about 1,871 square kilometers, with Vanatinai being the largest. Rogeia, Samarai and Sariba lie closest to New Guinea, while Misima, Vanatinai, and Rossel islands lie further east. The archipelago is divided into the local level government areas Bwanabwana Rural, Louisiade Rural, and Yaleyamba. The LLG areas are part of Samarai district of Milne Bay. The seat of the Louisiade Rural LLG is Bwanabwana on Misima Island, the population center of the archipelago. The seat of the Yaleyamba is changed every couple of years between Rambuso and Jingo. The seat of the Bwanabwana was Samarai from the Louisiade Archipelago, but was recently transferred to the mainland of Papua New Guinea to the city of Alotutu Islands. The Louisiade Archipelago consists of the following island groups and islands. History. The islands were discovered by a Spanish expedition led by Louisiade de Torres in 1606, that was part of the Fernandez de Quiros fleet which had sailed from South America in search of Australia. The Torres expedition visited various islands including Basilaki Island, which he named San Buenaventura in July 1606. It is possible that Malay and Chinese sailors also visited the islands earlier. More than a century later, in 1768, Louis-Antoine de Bougainville visited the islands and named them for Louis XV, the King of France. Visits were also paid by Admiral Bruni d'Entrecasteaux in 1793 and Captain Owen Stanley in 1849. The 1942 Battle of Coral Sea was fought nearby after Japanese occupation in the same year. The De Boyne Islands were the site of the 1942 raids on De Boyne. Rainforests. The islands have a moist tropical climate, and are largely covered with tropical moist broadleaf forests. The Louisiade Archipelago rainforests form a distinct ecoregion, and are home to a number of endemic species, including several endemic trees, as well as 5 endemic frog species, 2 endemic lizard species, and 5 endemic bird species.